Finding and repairing gas leaks on a food trailer. I start with my big blue gas leak soap. Finding bubbles, no good. I'm going to take this screw out, pull this bracket back, and I'm going to start wrenching this piece of pipe out. It's tight coming up beside the frame there for the propane tank. But I'm going to take it loose here. I'm going to take this whole piece back to the vise, take everything off, redo it, clean the threads, new tape, new dope. I'm going to remove the elbow next. This is 3/4 black iron, and this elbow has been scraped against a curb or something, and it had rubbed the steel. You'll see this elbow's been deflected and rubbed, and it's junk. Throw it in the trash bucket. Get everything nice and secured, fresh, tight, back together. That's beautiful. Screw the new elbow on. Going to put it in place, get it good and tight. I'm going to replace the bracket, replace the pipe, spray paint it. Black iron needs to be spray painted. Got to have protection from corrosion. Going to spray paint it up with my Rust-Oleum flat black. Then I'm going to put a pressure test on this piping system at 5 psi. 25 minutes, no leaks. Beautiful.